So in the previous video we learned like how to plot x of t, that is when the x of t is function of unit step and ramp functions. But here they will be giving you signals. Now you have to write this in form of unit step and the ramp functions. Okay, so let us consider the first one. See here we had a method like, see, if you are having a horizontal line, that means it's a step, and if you are getting like this, that means you are having a ramp now. So you will be now adding the ramps, okay, to get the slope. So see here, at 0 you have unit step. This is the step, not ramp. Okay, so this is having slope 0. So you will be having u of t now, which is starting at 0. So t is equal to 0. But at 1 what happens? You are getting a ramp now. You are getting a ramp. Now see what is the slope of this? Slope of this will be equal to, the difference here is 3 minus 1 divided by, okay, 1. Okay, so this one will be equal to slope 2. So you are going to add slope 2, but it is starting at 1. It is starting at 1. So it should be r of t minus 1, shifted ramp, right? So from 2 to 4, you are going to get a horizontal line. That means you have a slope 0 now. Earlier the slope was equal to 2, but now you are getting 0. So what? You have to add something to get 0. That means you are going to add minus 2, right? X is equal to minus 2. That means now I have to add a ramp which is having the negative slope. So I will write like this. Then what will be the value? At 2 it's becoming horizontal, right? That means it will be starting at t minus 2. Next, okay, next what happens? Here at 4 means now I will consider t minus 4. At 4 you are going to get a ramp, that is which is having negative slope. So the slope now, it was 0. Horizontal slope it has, so horizontal line it has a slope 0. Now it is going to get a slope that is equal to minus 2. Minus 2 will be your slope here. Difference is 2. Here it is 1. So the negative slope will be minus 2. So from 0, okay, I should add minus 2 now. Minus 2, and it is starting at 4. So since this is a, okay, line here that is a negative with negative slope, I should write it as ramp function. Next, see, from here minus 2, slope is the resultant one. From there you are going to get the slope 0. So if I add a 2, I will get 0, right? Minus 2 plus 2, then only I will get 0. So I will add r of t minus 5. Why t minus 5? It is changing at 5. Slope is changing at 5. And at 6, see, it is continuing like this, right? So if I subtract something, then I am going to get 0. So this is not ramp. Ramp means either like this or either like this. But here you are having the step difference. Step difference. That means you have to add unit step function. Okay, that is t minus 6. What is its height? Its height will be minus 1. Why? Because you are having 1. From 1, step height should be 0. That means minus 1. So this one will be your answer. Okay, u of t plus 2 of r of t minus 1 minus r of t minus 2, then minus 2 r of t minus 4 plus 2 of r t minus 5, then minus u t minus 6. So this one will be the answer. So just to see, when there is horizontal, starting with horizontal line, that means you have unit step function. So when you are going to get like this, that means your slope is changing. So previous slope, and then you have to see the next slope. So to get, this is the slope 2. So to get slope from u of t, you have to add 2, right? 2 r of t minus 1. Where it is starting, you have to see. Now again the slope is changing at 2. So I will consider t minus 2. What will be your slope? That is equal to 0. So if I add 2 minus 2, then only I will get 0. So minus 2 will be your slope. So from 0, if I am getting the slope with minus 2, then I have to add minus 2. So minus 2. Where it is starting? T minus 4. Now the slope is minus 2, but now you are getting 0. That means you should have a ramp, that is which is having positive slope. So that is plus 2 r of t minus 5. Then what happens? It is continuing, but since you are getting a vertical line, that means there is a change in the step. So you are considering unit step function u of t minus 6. Okay, let us solve the second problem. See, second problem, it was asked in GATE 2014. So here from 0 to t, that is a period 0 to t, you are having the unit step function. This one, if you had 0, 1, you could write this as u of t minus of, okay, t minus 1, right? If I write this, I will get it is a rectangular pulse, right? Rectangular pulse. So u of t minus of u of t minus 1. Similarly, instead of 1, we have t here. Okay, so this one I can write it as u of t minus u of t minus t. So this I got now. From t, I have a ramp. I have a ramp. What is the slope of that? See, slope will be equal to, this part is 1. So what is this? 2t minus t. 2t minus t, that is equal to t. So the slope will be equal to 1 by t. So you are having a ramp which is having the slope 1 by t. So I can add now 1 by t. But where it is starting? It is starting at t, right? So r of t minus t, shifted ramp. At t, at 0 it is like this. If it is shifted by 2 unit or t units, then it will be like this, right? So r of t minus t, that is till 2t. 2t, your slope is changing from 1 by t to 0. 1 by t to 0. Okay, that means you are, see here, this is 1 by t. Now the slope is 0. Okay, so how to get 0? When will you get 0? When you are going to subtract it, right? That is with a negative row. That is starting at t minus 2t. Okay, so this is your answer. U of t minus u of t minus t. Okay, then you can write this as 1 by t r of t minus t minus 1 by t r of t minus 2t. Okay. If you are going to write everything in step functions, then you can write like this. T minus t divided by t, u of t minus t, t minus 2t divided by t, then r of t minus 2t. Because you know ramp function r of t, that is equal to t into u of t. That means if you are having t, this is the function t, when you are adding with u of t, okay, then you are getting only the positive part r of t. This one you are going to get. Okay, so we can write r of t as t into u of t. Okay, r of t is equal to t into u of t. So if you are going to have the shifted version r of t minus t, that means replace all the t by t minus t. Okay, that is what I have written here. This is in terms of unit step function. This is as the combination of ramp and unit step function. Just remember, when you are having lines like this or like this, that means obviously you are having a ramp. So that means here ramp is positive. To get the 0, you should have the negative ramp. So when there is a positive ramp and negative ramp, then only the resultant signal will be having the slope that is equal to 0, and they are giving you the constant signal as a result. Okay, so here it is slope 1 by t. So to get the slope 0, you should subtract it, means you should have a negative ramp so that it will come in effect with your positive ramp to give the slope 0. That is a constant signal. Again, if you had something like this, okay, then obviously you have to write u of t minus, if it is at 3t, means u of t minus 3t, then there is a step change, that is minus 1. So minus of u of t minus 3t. So then it would become this signal, but here this is continuous. Okay, just see where you are going to have the step difference, ramp difference. So this is purely in terms of step function, because this is a rectangular pulse.